Okay. Oh, video update number or whatever the hell. It's been about, well, 2.5, 3 weeks now. So, getting a little bit better, but still a lot of pain all the time. Yeah, especially Deb and moving around a lot, overworking everything, so I'm hurting pretty good. Pretty much living off part sales around here, so digging up inventory here and there for people. So, get some guy coming over for a couple parts here. Yeah, this thing here. Yeah, whatever. I gotta get my shirts and stuff listed up on my website. I keep forgetting to do that, but well, not keep forgetting. I hurt so much in front of the computer. I just don't want to work in front of the computer. That's what I do. I do a lot of sleeping. So anyway, it's just it is what it is. All I can say is don't fall down. It hurts. So basically, what's going on is this hurts. So we have a broken, let's see, I've got the arm up the sling to help the collarbone heal more straight. That helps a little bit. I tried to get an appointment for an orthopedic for 3.5 weeks. Got denied twice. Not really denied. I got an appointment to go see him, but then they wouldn't see me after I got the referral and appointment from the doctor. For whatever reason. Don't know why. They told me, go back to the crash ward, what the hell's the name of that place? I forget. I think of it. Trauma ward. Go back to trauma ward. That's where you're supposed to go to get all this stuff done. That's 200 miles north of here. What the hell do I want to go up there for? Been moving so much. It hurts. And so for whatever reason, they wouldn't look at me. I don't know why. It took them 6 days, 8 days the first time to kind of not tell me I couldn't get an appointment. And then the last one took 6 days, and they told me I couldn't get an appointment. Wonderful. Meantime, my wrist got looked at. There's 2 broken bones in this. Got an appointment next week for that. I'm getting a little more dizzy, vertigo issues, so my inner ear is probably all screwed up like last time I came off the bike. That was out at 140, 50 mile an hour on that deal. That was a lot less injury. And so I think that's screwed up again. Oh well, I get dizzy. Vertigo starting to come in a little bit, one of those deals. But, so I had to go to the emergency room in another hospital. So I went down to Mercy, my normal place. Was there for 7 hours. They took some pictures, x-rays. So we have a broken collarbone, single crack. You got the 9 broken ribs. And then the scapula is broken, the shoulder bone. And it's not just broken, it's shattered. It's many pieces. So that's going to be the problem one probably to heal up. But that's why it always hurts so much everywhere. I can't know one place. It just hurts everywhere. So that's why. So anyway, they gave me another drug to take for the nerve pain from the collarbone. Whatever. I've been working all day. I only had one drug and it's worn off 3 hours ago. I'm still working. I don't give a fuck. It hurts. Oh well. Big deal. Put on your big boy panties. Deal with it. When it stops hurting, don't move that way, dumbass. Figure it out. Meantime, the steady pain, it's like a 5. Yeah, whatever. It hurts, so what? Talking makes my throat plug up full of crap. That's a whole another problem. But anyway, they said the x-ray of the lungs was good, so no ammonia, no issues there, so that's good. That's all they cared about up in the crash ward anyway. So anyway, I got an appointment in another half a week at the Scripps, whatever the name was again, bone doctor, what the fuck, I forget the name already. Not neuro. Orthopedic. Not doctor, I remember all these stupid names. So I get an appointment for the orthopedic. They'll take a look at it next Thursday and we'll see what's going on. And hopefully they tell me what to actually do to heal correctly, because right now I got nothing. Here we are it's been 5 weeks since the accident and I got nothing. 5.5 weeks. So no, they just let go of me. Here, kick you out the door, get the hell out of here. Bye. That's it, you're on your own. It's pretty much how it's been. So anyway, it is what it is. So part sales have been pretty slow and obviously I'm not working, so oh well. We're paying the bills with whatever we got to pay with. So Anyway, so if anybody needs any apparel or anything, send me a list of what you want. And I'm just getting to where I can sit down in my chair at home to start work on the computer. I've been so sore with my ribs and backbone and collarbone that it's been really hard to sit in front of the computer. It's basically about 10-15 minutes of that, I'm done. I got another chair, it's garbage, sent it back. And another chair I picked up 6 months ago, it's too hard, I went back to my old chair. So these are all the different shirts I got. But anyway, none of the stuff is in the computer, which is the problem. That's the problem, there's nothing in the computer. Just like none of my parts are on the website either. But anyway, if you guys need any parts, I can either drop ship stuff to you like anybody else, or I might actually have stuff in stock, because I have a lot of stuff in stock, old stuff. So, old and new, M8 stuff on down. I got a lot of crap. But anyway, it's just one of those deals. So, anyway, I don't feel much different. It's going to be just, next 2 months is going to be like this. Just, you know, you don't get better every day. Every 3 or 4 days you notice you can move around a little bit more. You can lift a little more with your hand that you're not supposed to lift with. Today I went and picked up my one of my other bikes and drug it home, and I'm pushing it around and steering it. With some, you know, I'm helping do that. I'm not the one. I'm helping do it, but anyway, not supposed to be, but whatever. It's my shit. I'll move it. So, you know, I'm lifting stuff. I'm moving boxes around that are, you know, 50, 60 pounds, and well, maybe they're a little bit heavier than you're supposed to be lifting. They're like a zero weight lifting is what you're supposed to be doing, but yeah, whatever. It's what it is. Gotta do that, especially when you got a bad wrist over here and a bad arm over here. It makes it hard to lift correctly. So this one here, you cannot push at all this way. No way. I can pull real good. Cannot push at all at this angle. I can push like this, but not at this angle. But I can carry. Driving's kind of hard because you're rotating your wrist. I doesn't like driving, but I was driving today. I had to go pick up my bike, and I'm shifting with my bad arm with the sling off, because you can't have the sling on when you're shifting. Yeah, floor shifter. Yeah, good. And I kept forgetting to put my seatbelt on too. So yeah, whatever. Yeah, who cares? So anyway, it is what it is. At least the drugs were all worn off, so I wasn't high. So there you go. Works like that. Yeah. Anyway, it's going to be a process. So like I said, anybody needs parts or anything like that, give me a call, look it up, email me, call me, and I'll see what I can do to help you. I still got my tech line, help line there on there. If you want help, you can pay for, you know, half hour, whatever you want to do. We can talk like that. And if I could figure out to make my phone do FaceTime, I could do that, but I don't think I can do that, so it'll have to just be talking. But anyway, I have that service too. I can still do all that kind of stuff. I just can't really turn wrenches much at all. At least I'm not supposed to. Yeah. I'll be working on my bike here soon. I gotta fix it so I can roll it. The engine's got a crushed front end on it. I can't move it around. I gotta pull the fork apart, straighten it out a little bit, put it back in there. Probably just take the whole front fender off because it's all bashed in hard. And yeah, put the fork back in so you can steer it, and I can go put it in storage, get out of my way. Yeah, I'll be doing that here over the next probably 2-3 weeks. I'll be doing that. I want to go to the SEMA show in November 1st. Was it 3rd to 7th, I think. Ooh, that backbone's hurting. Don't like the drugs. See, I lean on this side, it pushes across and hurts the other side. And then El Mirage is in November 7th, I think, is the weekend. Third, it's the Saturday, Sunday meet. So I'm going to go up there and see people, and thanks for scraping my shit off the lake bed and putting a trailer and hauling it home for me. And then, you know, stuffing my ass into a helicopter. But anyway, it's one thing about land speed racing, everybody is basically, when it gets down to it, they're a friend and they'll help you like family will. Well, most families. Ah, that fucking hurts. Shoulder doesn't like leaning like that. Stand up, dumbass. Quit leaning. Shoulders are nowhere near the same height, but they weren't near the same height before either, so another thing I try to But anyway, that's kind of the schedule I'm at through the end of the year. So quit calling, emailing me, want me to work on all your crap. I ain't doing it. Can't do it. Not that I don't want to do it, I can't do it. So yeah, it's definitely going to be middle of next year before we start doing any more stuff like that. But if you need tech help or questions, feel free to call. And like I said, if you go in that tech line help service, I actually get paid a little bit. Be nice, pay some of the bills. But anyway, that's kind of where we're at. I was trying to do like a weekly update, but we skipped it ahead of 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna start posting some videos up. So the whole build of the Indian, I'm gonna post up here, showing the start finish on the Indian build, and then you can see how I actually fixed that piece of crap before I threw my ass in the ground. Bad mechanics. Or bad rider. Could be a bad rider. Maybe both. Probably both. That's it. Oh, an owner. Might as well throw the owner in too. Get him. Everybody. You're all guilty. Yeah. Look in the mirror. It's you. But anyway, feel free to leave comments and we'll go from there. So we'll see you down the road.